we see your website as a marketing tool and your online store really much as a sales tool.
Okay.
So what I mean by that is your website has everything essentially about your brand, about your business. So what you guys sell, where you're located, any kind of brand story, farm story. And really the focus there is the ability for your customer base or future customers to be able to find you online. So, search engine optimization, SEO is often something that gets thrown around, and that's really where your website comes to play, right? Using the right keywords that the people in your area, your target customers are searching for, having additional information to be able to nurture those leads on to make the sale. That's really the purpose of your website. And then your online store very much is a sales tool. So it's from nurturing those people on your website. We always say the first thing that someone should see on your website is a way to shop from you, is that kind of CTA or that call to action. Shop now, visit our online store, put in your order, and then they get sent to your online store where they are, perusing your products, adding them to the cart.